What is up, guys? Welcome back to TechTro with a brand new video for you guys today. And today we are going to be focusing on the social media aspect. Now, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow 1,000 engaging followers to your Instagram account. This is going to be key if you're trying to start a social media brand, but get awareness, even grow your YouTube, your influence. You really want to show yourself outside in your niche, which is the most important when you want engaging followers. If you want followers who are really in love with your content, they need to be part of your niche. That is what you're interested in and what you like. So now that that's said, let's get into it. So right now I'm just on my Instagram homepage. And what I want to do is pretend I started from scratch. I created a second TechDrill account just to kind of work this out. This isn't my real one. This is just a random one I created. But let's say I'm at 5 followers and I like TechDrill and I'm into tech. The first thing you want to do is find people in your niche. So the first thing you might go is hashtag tech. Now you found a lot of influencers who do the same thing as you. And when you start clicking on their profiles, going to their work, you'll see that their follower counts are also small. They're small people like you just starting up. So your main goal is you're going to go through these posts, find the small people, first like up their posts, comment down saying, I love the content, and then just, you can go on from there. Or just say, nice, would you like to check out my work too? Something like that. And then shoot them a DM, let them know you're interested. Do that for 100, 200, 1,000 different people. Keep engaging with their content, because when you're engaging with this tech content, which is exactly my niche, so what you're going to do is you're going to promote brand awareness. People are going to see you around. People looking at these posts are going to see you around. This is a community, a big, large community, hashtag tech. So your goal will be to make sure your brand, everyone knows who you are. Because the most important thing is people can see you. Look, there's a huge community around this. Not every single person is into it, but there's 15 million posts. Do your work. This will take hard work. But if you're willing to put in the work, click on posts, interact with them. There's not even that many comments. There's small posts. Interact with them. You'll get attention. And you'll see how these are very recent. Look at how different people are doing the interaction. They're trying to grow their own channels, or they're simply engaged. And then, once you have a solid number of people you've kind of reached out to, commented with, tell them, hey, I want to start growing. So once you're kind of engaged that niche, you can see that you're very involved into that community. Your next step will be for you to also post with these hashtags. So I'd recommend at least every 3 days to 1 week, you need to put out an Instagram post and a story at least every 24 hours. Because your most important thing is those stories. Alright, so now that I've explained to you posting consistently stories, the next thing is just to kind of give you a run through. So what you're going to do is you have this now. You've interacted with many different posts. You've seen what they do, kind of grown with them, showed them your interest. Now you're establishing yourself in the community. The next thing is to always post. You need to create a profile. So when people click on your comment, they see something they like. This is not a very appealing page because there's really nothing here. Things simply as uploading a better profile pic than this, editing your profile, adding in links, better bios, all of that. This is going to get you started with your first 1,000 followers. And after that, it's all about rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Reach out to people, learn from people, and you will grow, my friend. I promise that. The most important thing is consistency, and you're posting high quality content. Put in the work and you will see the results. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. It's been TechTro, and we're out.